You know that I count all them racks. You know that that's facts. You will get jacked, get hit with that Mac. Knock off your hat. You was a rat. Take all your stacks. Young nigga came from the bottom. Came from the bottom. Trapped out that Louis and Prada.
So I had the pleasure of being sent this in the mail. It's a cheaper version of the Revlon blow dryer, and we'll see if it holds up, if it's like a good dupe, because obviously, like, who wants to buy like an expensive blow dryer if you could find someone for cheaper? The price for it is $34. I don't have too much information yet about the website. As soon as they give me the website, I'm definitely gonna put it, you know, down below. So subscribe just in case like you see this early and you want to buy this blow dryer for cheap, and hopefully I can get a discount code. This is the plug for the off-brand. So I use these two. That's all I put in my hair, and then I will put this. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is actually like not bad. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let me try to blow this up a little bit more. I'm gonna do the Revlon blow dryer off camera, and then when I want to do the side like absolutely last, I'll come back and then I'll do that fast, speed it up on camera. That's straight. That's pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Ooh. Now let me, ooh. Hey yo. This side's already done, but okay. I'm just gonna use the cold shot button on this blow dryer. That's the only downside to these brush blow dryers. They don't really have like a cold shot, and I love my cold shots. I think I would prefer, okay, let's just listen a minute. This side, I mean, I feel like this side is a little straighter than this side. I'm not sure if it's because of my colored hair, but I'll probably continue using my Revlon just because what I will say is that the off brand, it has a smell. The blow dryer smells a little funny, and I'm not sure if it gets as hot as this one, as the Revlon, but it still gets pretty hot. It didn't take out as much hair as my Revlon one, actually. Don't know if you could see it. How much hair came out. Revlon off-brand. So, honestly, I say why not? I go for it. I don't need both, so I'll probably give this to my sister. She'll be happy with it. And yeah, so that's that, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I really had fun making it. So, and now I have cute hair. So as soon as I get like a website or a link, I'll definitely leave that down below. So if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe so that like you can be notified whenever the link does become public, because I think they're still working on finalizing all of their, you know, social medias and all of their like, you know, whatever, I don't know. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.